In the next half hour.
In London, quite a strong breeze blowing. It's been a pretty dry week though. This time last week, Penny Tranter was telling you it was going to be dry, and we've had hardly any rain recorded at our weather centres, weather areas throughout the United Kingdom. You don't really need me to tell you why. It's because the pressure has been high, and we're going to keep this area of high pressure for the next couple of days, but then it is going to change. That high pressure slowly sinks its way southwards. Low pressure systems working their way from Iceland into Scandinavia. We'll see the isobars getting closer together, so it's going to turn increasingly windy, and we will see some rain as well, particularly in the north and the east. The high pressure just about holding on in the southwest. So the winds will be a big feature, certainly a big feature today in eastern areas. That chilly wind will ease down by, say, around Tuesday, and then we'll see the stronger winds coming in from the northwest, perhaps touching gale force at times in the far north. So a change in temperatures, particularly by night, a chilly night tonight, a touch of ground frost across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Then those temperatures at night will get a little bit higher for the middle of the week, but then again, as those winds swing round to the north, we'll see it getting a little bit cooler again by the time we get to next weekend. Now today the temperatures very similar to what they have been, the mid to high teens, but it feels very different depending on where you are. In the west, with some good sunny spells, 18 or 19, and light winds, doesn't feel too bad, but certainly in the east it feels distinctly chilly with that wind. 15 Celsius in Newcastle, but feeling much cooler than that. 14 in Aberdeen, probably feeling more like around 7 or 8. Now we've got quite a bit of cloud around, we have through the morning, but it's showing signs of breaking up, and I think we'll see some good sunny spells in western areas for the rest of today. 1 or 2 showers continuing across parts of Lincolnshire, Yorkshire, East Anglia and Kent, maybe a heavier one here, and maybe also for North London and possibly in the Midlands too. But most places dry, so the best of the sunshine in the west. Now we'll keep 1 or 2 showers fringing some eastern coasts as we go through the night tonight. We'll keep that keen breeze as well. Elsewhere the wind's falling light under high pressure, and also as the skies clear it will turn distinctly chilly. Temperatures getting down into single figures for many of us, as low as 2 Celsius in the Scottish Glens, maybe a degree or so cooler in 1 or 2 places. Certainly low enough for a touch of ground frost here and for parts of Northern Ireland and across the borders of Wales as well. Temperatures held up in the southeast by that brisk breeze. Now still quite breezy in the southeast through Monday, still 1 or 2 light showers here, maybe again into the Midlands. Elsewhere most places fine and bright with a fair amount of sunshine. And again on Tuesday, although again after a chilly night on Monday, we will see some mist and fog around first thing. That'll be clearing away, then most places fine and bright, just the outside chance of still a shower in the southeast and thicker cloud in the far northwest. Now that cloud will thicken through Tuesday night, bringing some rain down across Scotland during Wednesday, tending to fizzle out as it does so. Still fine to the south, although again still some mist and some fog. High pressure holding on here, but there's those weather fronts. As they slip further southwards, we will see more rain, particularly across Scotland, drifting away by Friday, but certainly some rain gradually working its way south, holding on to the fine weather